Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today we have Mr. Rabindra with us from HoltecAsia. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you very much for inviting us to talk to you.
Sir, can you let us know about your company and the products you are offering in this REI 2025?
Thank you. See, we are HoltecAsia. We are 100% subsidiary of Holtec International, and we work in India with all the companies. So those who want to get a service for the clean energy system, we provide clean energy system in two forms. One is providing them high therm system, which is hybrid CSP and PV power system, combined with thermal energy system, which can give you 24/7 power supply, and that's something like round-the-clock power or the FDRE power. So we are working on that, which is PV and CSP hybrid system. The other one is we provide also nuclear reactors, SMR 300, which we are proposing that once the law is changed in India, and we'll make them, provide to our developers in India to generate again clean energy using nuclear power.
What are your strategies for the coming year and any product in pipeline?
Yes, currently we are showcasing or doing a pilot project on green boiler in our factory Dahej by end of this year. That will be operational. That will showcase one of our very niche product, which is for the thermal energy, and it will replace the batteries because our green boiler is a made in India product with all components sourced within India and designed in India, and it will provide 24/7, and it's very good for the people who are suffering for the grid clampdown or the grid problems in the state of Rajasthan and other states.
What are your plans for the distribution of products and the expectations from the government?
Yes, currently we are talking to different partners within India. We want them to provide us the services and also help us to make us presence felt in India. At the same time, they will also propagate to the various applications what we have in mind in the textile sector, in our power sector, in the IPP sector, and other pharmaceutical and other industries. We are providing.
How do you see the Indian solar market and current pricing, demand and supply of trends in the Indian solar market?
Yes, currently solar is very competitive in India. We have that in mind, and when you provide them a hybrid power system, we provide them maximum usage of the land. Per acre we can generate using the hybrid system more power. At the same time, it's economical and competing with the existing technologies.
Thank you, sir, for being with us, and all the best for your upcoming project.
We again thank you, EQ, for inviting us to talk to you, and I would like to thank everybody listening to us. And please, use our product and help us grow in this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.